Hey, Cesar Rodriguez here, and I want to talk real quick about how you can win the next trip that Prepaid Legal is sending all of their associates on, and that's to Hawaii. Now, they're going to be sending hundreds of people, but that doesn't mean that they're going to send you, and it doesn't mean they're not going to send you. You get to choose. Here's how it works. All you have to do is for the next 9 months. Now the contest period started in May and it ends December 31st. So from May 1st to December 31st, your goal is to have as many months Players Club qualified as possible. Let me tell you how you Players Club qualify. Every time you sell a membership, that's a point. Every time you recruit a person, that's a point. Every time you help a new person you brought on the business get their first 5 memberships or 3 in 1 within their first 30 days, the company gives you another 2 points for that one. So your goal is to always have at least 5 points in every single month. So sell 5 memberships or do whatever I just mentioned and whatever combination, and you're guaranteed to get your Players Club qualification in. Now, what they're going to do is they're going to look at the 9 months running, and they're going to take everyone that qualified for all 9 months, everyone that qualified for probably 8 months, and again, it's going to be a competitive thing because you're basically running against everyone else in the company. So the first thing you can do to set yourself apart from the pack and to make sure you're on this trip going to Hawaii, all expenses paid, they're going to go ahead and give you $500 spending cash when you get there. Listen, the only thing you got to do is make sure you're cut above the competition. How do you do so? Make sure you don't miss a single one of the next months of Players Club qualifying. Because what they're going to do is they're going to take the people that went 9 months and then they're going to say, okay, who made it 8? Who made it 7? You want to be in there as many months as you possibly can because you don't want to have 6 months in and say, well, I got 6 months in. Well, guess what? They didn't have enough people because they had so many people that qualified for 7 months. They didn't even bother with the 6-month people. So don't go for the minimums, go for the maximums. And then even within the people, for as many, the more months you have qualified, obviously that puts you ahead of the pack. And when they look at people that, hey, this guy qualified for 7 months, this girl qualified for 7 months. Well, who's got the most Players Club points? Then they're going to look between the two of them and they're going to take whoever's got the most points in cases of ties. So again, you want to be as active and as busy as possible, and you want to make sure you don't miss any months, and you want to make sure that you hammer it out every month. Don't go for a minimum. Don't make your minimums your maximum. Blow it out each month. Do massive activity. Listen, that's what you got to do anyway if you want to be successful in this business. And then last but not least, make sure the business that you're writing is good. Don't just sign up any old person. Make sure that they see the value in the membership and they keep it, because you need to have a 75% rolling persistency in order to qualify for this trip. Hey, they're making sure people aren't just slamming in people at the end of the month, you know, that say, hey man, just get a membership. I know you don't know what it's about. Just get it and cancel it. Listen, if you do that, you're not going to qualify for the trip. So make sure the business that you're writing is real, it sticks, and it's strong. Make sure you sell the value of the program and the long-term benefits with integrity. Make sure they see tools, they get information, and they use their program and they understand what it is so they keep it. And I can guarantee you this, if you be consistent, make sure you hit Players Club this month right now and get tons of points so that way you're qualified for the next month, and then make sure you're constantly doing that and you will separate yourself from the pack and you will be on the next trip. That's the secret to doing it. Works every time. Be consistent, be persistent, write good business, and I look forward to hanging out and partying with you in Hawaii. Take care and God bless.